Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Taylor Monet. I'm coming back with a new video. We washing my hair today. We doing my hair today. We doing my hair. Start to finish. I did a quick weave with my bundle shop Monet Society hair. We almost had 1,000 followers on my page. We doing a giveaway. It's dropping soon. But yeah, I did 28 inches. I did 28 inches. Bust down middle part. Let's get it. So yeah, y'all. I'm basically washed my hair. Y'all saw it already. I flew through that. Wasn't that big of a deal. I'm right here. I'm showing y'all how long my hair got. With my hair oil, I use a vegan, all natural hair oil to get my hair this long. If y'all OG, y'all know I big chop my hair 3 times. And it has grown back every single time because of the oil that I use. So make sure y'all shop. Make sure y'all comment. Make sure y'all like this video. But yeah, I'm getting my parts together for my quick weave. I am braiding my hair down. I just did like 5 or 6 dookie braids. Like, it doesn't take much. Like, literally, it doesn't have to be a full blown, like, you know, it ain't gotta be fancy dancy. We doing it ourselves. We don't got time for paying nobody. We doing this shit ourselves. 2025. Okay. Okay guys, so I put some black wraps on my hair, and then I do the black cap. I put Fantasia spritz. Everything that I use for this quick weave is listed down in my Amazon store, so make sure y'all look at that in the description box as well. I flat iron all my wefts before I put them in my head so they can be flat. Okay?
And today is how it's to be.
Hush. I use hair glue, of course, to glue the tracks in. I'm gonna do a separate video on like the foundation of the quick weave, like how I really get that flat foundation. This video is just showing y'all like how the process of really getting a flat quick weave simple. It ain't gotta be professional type shit. Okay, so yeah, that's what I do. Every track I put the glue. I basically do that for the entire process until I get to the top of my head. I did sew the cap down as well. I sewed it around the perimeter of my braids. I did want to let y'all know that. So yeah, I'm just gluing the track till I get to the top of my head, and then we pretty much gonna be done. Okay, I flat iron. I'ma just let y'all see. I'm taking my time. It took me from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. or something like that. Yeah, it took me a couple hours to do this, y'all. But look how bomb my bundles are. I sell raw Vietnamese hair. I did 3 bundles of 28 and 1 bundle of 30 inches. Yes. So I did 4 bundles. I put all 4 bundles in my head. Okay. And this is me just cutting the excess cap off. And look how bomb this finna be out. Look how, okay, I'm undoing this part. I'm just cutting, you know, my leave out part. Make sure y'all don't cut your hair out. Don't cut your hair off your head. Okay? But y'all, look how cute this finna be. Like, let's just take a moment. I love my bundles. Y'all see how nice those bundles are? Wait till this content finna roll out. Like, I'm finna be dropping so much content with this hair. Like, stop playing. But this is the end of the video, y'all. My hair came out so cute. I didn't even really do my hair. This is the natural state. I use like the raw wavy Vietnamese bundles. So this is the like natural state of the hair. I let the hair air dry before I installed it. So that's how like the wave pattern looks on this particular wavy hair that I sell. I'm gonna make sure y'all follow me on social media. I'm about to, you know, tag everything right here so y'all can see. But yeah, that is the hair, y'all. This is the install. I'm gonna do a separate video of me styling the hair, so stay tuned with that. I love y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Bye.